This is a classic French onion bistro soup, but stay tuned to watch my special little twist. This is my take on a very simple but packed with flavour French onion soup. You just need loads of onions, some herbs, and there you go, onions, do your thing. And then the steam from the lid is just kind of helping them to do their thing. Okay, I'm going to add a little secret ingredient. You don't have to, but I just like to add it. This adds a little bit more richness and sweetness, and that's caramelized onion. So it's like a caramelized onion jam. You don't need much. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon, okay, maybe 2. So you can absolutely serve it like this. It's a more kind of brothy soup, but I've got a really nice beef flavored thickener, which I'm just going to thicken up a little bit. There's also a great onion one, which kind of makes sense, but I quite like introducing more beef into the soup. And hey presto, that is like a really, really delicious take on the old-fashioned French brown onion soup. You might not be making this soup right now, but definitely save this recipe for a rainy day.